Did you know that 89% of US businesses are categorized as small businesses, and yet 50% of them fail within their first 5 years? That's the local restaurant, the pizzeria, the bakery, the laundromat. These are all individuals that are simply trying to use the gift of entrepreneurship to put a better future ahead of them and some food on the table at the end of the day. See, I grew up in a small business family, and as amazing as that experience was, I know what it's like to have a million questions and no answers. Signature MBA is about finding all those resources, the tools, the knowledge, the lessons, and all the different things that small business leaders could use to succeed, and putting it right in front of them. It's about big business lessons for small business leaders. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Signature MBA.